Oh god, gay. So last week my brother made that breakfast McGriddle sandwich, which was really good. I was gone last week, so I wasn't here to help him out. I was at Coachella, and when I came back on Sunday, he made one for me, and I was like, wow, this is really good. So for this weekend's video, I wanted to stick with the theme of breakfast. Since I'm like kind of sick right now, I was craving like maybe like a breakfast soup or something. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want soup. What we're gonna make is a breakfast burrito. And I was thinking about putting like a lot of meat in it because I like meat. And so what we're gonna put in is sausage, bacon, ham, cheese, eggs obviously, because eggs is what makes it breakfast-ish. A breakfast dish. Breakfast-ish. Breakfast dish. What you want to do first is you're gonna want to cook up all the stuff, obviously. So you're gonna put the sausage in the pan, get that all nice and brown and toasted and cooked all the way through. Add in some sliced or cubes of ham in there, get that nice and crispy, and then the bacon bits. Gonna get everything nice and warm. Add in 4 eggs because we got really big tortillas for this burrito. These are ones that I got, pretty big. Oh shit. And so it's gonna be 4 eggs, the meat and all that. Get it stirred up, well combined. Put the cheese in that same pan and make sure that you get everything all nice and gooey. Once everything's all cooked up and you got the mixture all together, you're going to lay out a tortilla. Rolling them is pretty easy. What you do is you start from the back, roll forward with the mixture or whatever is inside, and then tuck in the sides and keep rolling it. That's how you get a burrito. So then after that you eat it. Yeah, just eat your burrito and then hope you guys try it. I love breakfast food so much. So this one was really good. Me and my brother scarfed it down. Bye.